Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up a custom fulfillment service using DataChamp. In Shopify, orders can be automatically forwarded to external warehouses or fulfillment partners, for example, to our warehouse in Vienna. To enable this, you need to set up a custom fulfillment service in Shopify. You'll find this option under Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down to the bottom and add a custom fulfillment service, in our example Warehouse Vienna. To make sure the warehouse team in Vienna always has access to the latest orders, we use DataChamp to create a daily report that lists all new open orders for the Vienna warehouse. For this, we will set up a schedule to automatically email them. Start by clicking New Report and select Orders as the report type. Then, add the columns you need. For this example, we'll include order number, title, SKU, quantity, and the customer name. You can remove any columns you don't need. Next, add a filter. Set fulfillment service name equals any of Warehouse Vienna. This ensures that only orders meant for the Vienna warehouse will be exported. If you only work with one warehouse or dropshipper, you can skip the fulfillment service filter and simply send out all open orders every day. In this example, we add the filter unfulfilled as well. Now, go to the report settings and enable incremental export mode. This tells DataChamp to keep track of what's already been exported and only include new entries in future runs. In our case, that means only newly created, unfulfilled orders will be included. To email the report to your warehouse, enable the email option, enter the warehouse email address, for example, warehouse@datachamp.io, and customize the email if needed. You could, for instance, set the subject line to New Orders. Once everything is set up, click Preview to make sure the report looks correct. Then give your report a clear name like Custom Fulfillment Services. Save it, and click Run Now to generate the first export. When you now hover over the download icon, you'll see that only the 2 new and unfulfilled orders are included in the export. Finally, click Set Schedule, choose Daily, and select the time you want the report to run and the email to be sent. That's it. Your report will now automatically export all new unfulfilled orders for the Vienna warehouse and send them by email every day. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.